Okay, these are the Lagoti. Here we go. So the ones that are available for I forget the gentleman's name. Is this one here with the blue collar, and this one here with the looks like a pink collar, but it's a boy. It was red on the inside in the sunlight. It's 040 and 499. I don't remember which. Let's see. You are 499. So this is 040 and this is 499. Hey baby, I don't know your name yet. You deserve a beautiful name. Yes you do. Oh yes, hello. So right now, this one's a little calmer, but that could change. It's just a right now thing. The one with the reddish color and the one with the bluish color. I'm going to say reddish color is probably a tad calmer today. I don't know if it's always going to be true though. Who is reddish collar? What's your number, baby? You're so cute. Oh, is that right? Can I see what your collar says? It says 040. 040. Oh! You know, any of these could be shown if anybody decides they want to go into the show ring. These guys are all winners. It's just that, and I don't want to sound braggy, but my lines are just so much better than the other ones being shown right now that it's easy to get a winner or be competitive with the ones that are also winning with any of these guys. Yes, you're good boys. These are the boys.